you can see that we are going to try to find out what the unknown x is. However, before we can do that, we have to determine what type of angle relationship this is. So looking at this, we can see that the two angles, the expression that represents the angle on the left side and the angle on the right side, are opposite of each other. So far, we've only learned that there's one type of angle where it's on the opposite, and we would call that vertical. Now, vertical angles are congruent, which means they are equal. So, if they are vertical, that means that these two angles are equal, meaning if this is 170 degrees, this whole thing has to be equal to 170 degrees. However, we know that part of it is 55. We just need to know what the other amount is. So we're going to set up our equation. We're going to take this expression and set it equal to 170 because we know that it is congruent. So we have x plus 55 is equal to 170. And to solve for this, we are going to subtract 55 to both sides of the equation. So we get x is equal to 115 degrees. So that means that on this side of the angle, you're going to have 115 plus 55, and if you add that, that actually equals to 170 degrees. And that means that it is vertical to the other side. Another way we can check is by plugging it back into the equation. So if it's 115 plus 55, that equals to 170.